In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix common Windows Store app problems you're experiencing on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for Troubleshoot. Best match, come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, select additional troubleshooters. And then underneath the Find and Fix Other Problems section on the right, just scroll down and select where it says Windows Store Apps, troubleshoot problems that may prevent Windows Store apps from working properly, and then run the troubleshooter. And give that a moment. And then hopefully if you just follow along with this on-screen steps, it should go about automatically fixing the problems. In my case, I just needed a Microsoft Store account associated to my account here. But other than that, everything else looks good. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.